Good afternoon, everybody. This is Michelle Carter, and I just wanted to give you an opportunity to take a peek at how to use the RE Scoreboard application for recording your contacts, appointments, listings, buyer's agreements, and so on and so forth. So you are going to log into rescoreboard.com. You will use your CB Exchange username and password to log in. And if for some reason you do not come to the screen that you see right in front of you now, you may have entered the ZAP screen initially. It may bring you into the ZAP dashboard. If it does that, don't worry about it. Just come down here, click on RE Scoreboard, and it will take you back to the RE Scoreboard dashboard, which is where you need to be. So don't worry about ZAP. We're not even using that yet. So first thing you're going to do is establish your double play numbers, your goals for the week. And to do that, you need to make sure, first of all, that your course is AMP, that the cohort name that you're operating under is the August 27th AMP at Joliet Corporate, that you are in month 1, which should be your only option. And because we are in week 1 of AMP, it should be week 1. Next week it will be week 2, because you may adjust your goals as you go along. Once you have chosen week 1, the edit button will arise in your boxes of areas to record. If you click on all weeks, those edit buttons are now gone. So we want to set weekly goals. As you can see, I've got some goals here, but we're going to go ahead and click on the edit button in Contacts so I can show you how this works. Tracking your goals should say the course that you're in currently. You can enter the number of contacts you intend to make or want to make as your goal projector for the day. I've entered 1 so that I don't mess up our board numbers too much other than by 1. But what I want you to do is, based on your financial goals page that you worked on this week, you will have come up with your double play numbers. So your double play numbers are how many contacts, your face-to-face, voice-to-voice conversations you're going to have about real estate, and how many appointments, an appointment for a listing or to show buyers, generated from your AMP activities. So I've added 1 per day and 1 appointment per week. You may have 4 or 5 contacts per day and 2 appointments per week, or whatever your double play numbers are. Those are what you should enter here. Once you've entered those numbers into your goal section, you're going to go ahead and click on Set Goal. So now that goal has been set, that daily you're going to make 1 contact and weekly 7, or whatever your numbers are, and your weekly goal for your appointments would be 1. So right now you're just setting contacts and appointments goal. When you're ready to actually record your activity, the activity that we're going to see on Fridays together in class, you're going to go up and click on Record Activity, and it's going to bring up the option for you to add activity in all 6 areas that we're recording in. So let's just start with contacts, and you can go ahead and add that you actually made 1 contact, or 4 or 5 or 10 or whatever your contacts are for August 28th, and then click on Save. It'll give you that green bar that says your activity was recorded, and that now means that your contacts have been recorded. On Fridays, I'm going to bring up the leaderboard so that the entire course of amplifiers has been shown here in front of us. And you can see right now I have recorded 2 contacts as part of my week 1 of AMP. As each of you begins to add your contacts, appointments, buyer's agreements, and so on and so forth, it will tabulate it for us, and it will give us who's ahead on the leaderboard. So this will be fun. You'll be seeing an announcement tomorrow as participants in AMP course. Right now you're entered into a contest through Coldwell Banker to win tickets to Gen Blue. So you guys signed up for the right class. You're in the first class in the qualifying period for the contest. So watch Loopminder tomorrow for more information on that. If you have any questions on how to access rescoreboard.com, set your goals in the My Progress section, or record your activity daily and weekly. Please do not hesitate to reach out, mcarter@coldwellhomes.com, and I promise I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you guys for your participation, and keep working on those activities through Friday. Have a great day.